Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So recently Charlotte Tilbury had an offer that if you bought 3 Summer Icon products you got a free makeup bag, which is so cute. So I wanted to show you which products I picked. Okay, but before we get onto the products, let's look at the bag because it is adorable. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. When I saw it on the website I thought, okay, cute bag, kind of similar to bags I've seen recently, but this one is so big and it's even got a really cute, hope you can see that, keyring there, but there's so much you can fit in here, so let me show you what I got. Okay, so the first product I picked up is SPF. I absolutely love this stuff because it makes your skin really flawless, smooths out, easy to carry, and it literally has a flip here. You literally just squeeze out the product and then lock it again, so you're not wasting anything. But they're just so easy to throw in your handbag, makes your skin really smooth, but it's also an SPF primer, so we're talking long wear makeup but also protecting your skin, which for someone as fair as me is incredibly important. Okay, so the next product I picked up is another favourite of mine, and it is the lip oil. This is the peach one, and I have one open here because I just love using this. I don't leave the house without it now, and honestly, let me put it on. You need to see how good it is because it's so juicy, and you just literally rub it on. Sorry, I'm just staring at a mirror. Look at the difference, it's crazy. Okay, as you can see, this lip oil is a new essential for a very good reason. So, of course, I always have to pick up an extra. Whenever I am obsessed with lip products from Charlotte Tilbury, they're always limited edition things. And I'm hoping these are permanent, but I haven't seen anything to say it is or it isn't. So, I knew I needed to get a spare. And then speaking of picking up backup products, the third product I picked up is the Healthy Glow Sticks. These are my absolute favourite blushes at the moment because they're so pigmented, so creamy, easy to use on the skin. But my favourite shade is Rosy Glow at the moment. This one is just, me swatch of you is just dreamy. And honestly, again, a backup thing because I just can't be without it now. Like, look how gorgeous that just blends out. And for someone who has a complexion like mine, wearing blush is either they're too pigmented and I look crazy, or they're sheer enough that you can build up the formula, which always works better for me. And this I love because I can use it as a wash of colour, I can use it to build it up if I'm going out, but sticks like these give me the most control with the product, so it's so much easier to use. So these come in 6 shades and honestly they're all stunning, but I would say Rosy and Peach are my favourites. And then getting a makeup bag on top of those 3 products was just an added bonus. But the week I'm filming this video, there are some new products coming out. So on Charlotte's website yesterday, she announced that they're bringing out a lip mask in 2 scents. There's one that is non-scented and one that is vanilla scented. So one's like just magic in a white tub, one's pillow talk in a pink, so I'm dying to try those. And today she's been teasing something about our favourite foundation, which is the Airbrush Flawless Finish. Apparently there's a new formula in the mist, so let's see what happens there. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to use my discount code to get you 15% off your first order at charlottetilbury.com, I'll leave it in the description below. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.